in cherry red collection. You can see this beautiful detailing on the neck as well. You can see the pearl work, cut dana work, and again this is going to be in the digital 3D work. See the dupatta as well, proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So if you want to order all these collection, if you are planning to own a business or you're owning a business, you have a boutique, you have work with it. On the neck area you can see the pearl work, and it's going to be under 1000 rupees. Whatever collection you are liking, you can talk about the first product. You can see this beautiful bright yellow color just like sun. You can see this first piece, it's going to be in pure linen fabric, plus you can see the handwork detailing on the neck area. You can see the cut dana work and the pearl work. You can see the pearl work all over the pieces, and on the above side, on the below side, you can see this beautiful design. And if you want to see one more thing, this is going to be very plus point. You can see the astar as well in this. You're going to get lining with it, pure cotton lining with it. And if I talk about the shawl length, it's going to be proper 2.5 meter shawl length. You can see this. This is also going to be in pure linen concept. You can see this beautiful yellow color piece. If you're liking this piece, you can directly take a screenshot. You can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us. Plus, if you're talking about MOQ, what is your MOQ? There is no MOQ here. You can buy one set also. You can buy 1000 sets also. It's all up to you. Whatever you like, you can get it here. And if I talk about the next piece, you can see this beautiful and vibrant green color piece. You can see the different neck pattern, V neck pattern, and you can see the design as well. You can see the pearl work, sequence work, and on all over the piece you can see this beautiful working. Again, this is also going to be in pure linen fabric. If I talk about the dupatta, if I talk about the pants, you are going to get pockets along with the pants. You can see this beautiful cotton pants with it, and you are going to get proper pocket size here, phone size pockets with it, and you can see this beautiful linen dupatta. You can see again it's going to be proper 2.5 meter dupatta. No cut, no theft, proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So if you are planning to come to Surat, if you are at Surat station, you are watching this video, you can directly come to us. What you have to do? Pick and drop facility is available. If you want to know the address, we are located in Saroli, Shree, Kuber, second floor, 2021. You can see this next beautiful and vibrant collection in cherry red collection. You can see this beautiful detailing on the neck as well. You can see the pearl work, cut dana work, and again this is going to be in the digital 3D work. You can see this on all over the piece. You can see the pearl work with it. And if I talk about the beneath it, you are going to get proper lining with it, pure cotton lining with it. If I talk about the dummy piece, how it's going to look, you can see this beautiful dummy piece here. You can see the dupatta as well, proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So if you want to order all these collection, if you are planning to own a business or you're owning a business, you have a boutique, you can see the dupatta as well, proper 2.5 meter dupatta. So if you want to order all these collection, if you are planning to own a business or you're owning a business, you have a boutique, you have a shop, this collection is just for you, because this collection is going to be under 1000 rupees plus video call facility is available. If you're watching this video maybe from outer India, international shipping is available. Secondly, we have domestic shipping, we have COD facility. You just have to pay 20%, rest you have to pay on delivery. You can see this next beautiful white color piece, and it's going to be in off-white. You can see the beautiful designing on this piece. You can see the proper pearl work with it. On the neck area you can see the pearl work, and it's going to be under 1000 rupees. Whatever collection you are liking, you can directly take a screenshot, WhatsApp us, call us. And if you're watching this video till here, comment down below from where you're watching this video, from in which area your location is, and you can see this piece. So I am wondering, should I show you piece here or what I am wearing? I am wearing the same exact piece. You can see it here, and you can see how comfortable this piece look. Pure Pakistani, pure linen fabric, summer friendly collection just for you. So don't miss this collection. If you want to order it, you can order it right now. Plus, this is your channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment down below from where you're watching this video.